Hey guys, for arithmetic today, I want you to watch the Go Noodle video, Get Your Money Right, because today we're talking about counting dollars and coins. So go watch that video, sing along, practice your dollars and coins counting, and then come back here and we're gonna jump into counting dollars and coins. So, when you're carrying money in your wallet or your pocket, you usually, or even paying for something, you want to use the least amount, so the lowest number of each dollar or coin, so that, for example, in your pocket, you don't want all of this money weighing your pocket down, pulling your pants down. For when you're paying for something, you want to get as close to that number as you can. So, we also don't want to go over the number right now. Later we might practice that, but today we're going to count and get our money as close to that number with the lowest number of dollars and coins. So today we're going to start with $9.78. So because that is less than $10, we can't use a $10 bill. How many $5 bills do we know fit into $9.78? Well, only one $5 bill fits into $9 because if I had two, it would be $10, and that's too much. So we're going to say one $5 bill is in our pocket, and that underneath we have $5 so far. We're going to go all the way across at the end. I want it to equal $9.78. So if I have $5, how many ones do I need to get all the way up to 9? I have 5, so 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 $1 bills, so I'm going to write a 4 here, and that changes. Now we have $9 total. So now I just need my 78 cents. So we always start with the biggest amount so we can get as close to it as we can. So I'm going to start with quarters. How many quarters can fit into 78 cents? Well, 1 quarter is 25 cents, 2 quarters is 50 cents, 3 quarters is 75 cents, and 4 quarters is $1. Now, I don't want a whole other dollar, so I know it's not 4. 1 quarter is 25, I could do that, but 2 would make it even better, would be 50. 50 cents is even closer to 78, but actually 3 quarters is 75 cents. And 75 is just a few cents under 78. So I'm going to use 3 quarters, and now my total is $9.75. So then I have dimes. Dimes are worth 10 cents. Do I want 10 more cents? What would be $9.75 plus 10 cents? That would be $9.85. That's too much. So I don't want any dimes. You can write a 0. We're going to use 0 dimes, no dimes. So my money is still the same. I'm going to do an arrow to the next spot. I still have $9.75. How many nickels? Nickels are worth 5 cents. So if I add 5 cents to this, $9.75 plus 5 cents would be $9.80. Uh-oh, that's too much also. So I don't want any nickels. So I'm going to keep moving. Now we're on to pennies. Pennies are worth 1 cent. So how many pennies does it take me to get from 75 up to 78? Let's count up from 75. How many fingers, because I'm counting by ones, how many fingers does it take to get up to 78? So 76, 77, 78. 3 fingers. That means I need 3 pennies, and my total is $9.78. So, in order to make $9.78 with the lowest number, the fewest number of dollars and coins, I'm going to use 1 $5 bill, 4 $1 bills, 3 quarters, and 3 pennies, and that's it. And that's all you have to do on your worksheet today. On the back, on page 260 is where the new stuff is for today's lesson. So section 1, you're going to do the same exact thing, but they have the pictures up here for you. So they have a $5 bill up top, they have a $1 bill up top, they have a quarter, a picture of a quarter, a picture of a dime, a picture of a nickel, and a picture of a penny. So you're gonna go across. It actually helps you and gives the numbers down here. So if you get a little bit confused, it's gonna help you along by telling you the amount it should equal each time you move on to the next box. In section 2, you need to write the answer to the problem that I'm going to give you. So it says, answer the listening skill question, show your work in the workspace. That means in the box that says workspace on the right side of your paper, you need to write out your problem, answer it, and then take your answer and put it on the line where it says blank passengers. Here's the story. In Acadia National Park, visitors can take a horse-drawn carriage ride. The carriage driver took 9 passengers on a carriage ride Tuesday morning. On Tuesday afternoon, he took 5 passengers. Wednesday, he had 4 passengers on his carriage. How many passengers did the carriage driver take all together? Now remember, you need to go to your workspace, that orange box. You need to write the problem and the answer. Figure out the answer. Then write the answer on the line where it says blank passengers. I will read you the story problem one more time. Listen carefully. In Acadia National Park, visitors can take a horse-drawn carriage ride. The carriage driver took 9 passengers on a carriage ride Tuesday morning. On Tuesday afternoon, he took 5 passengers. Wednesday, he had 4 passengers on his carriage. How many passengers did the carriage driver take all together? If you need time to work on this, you can pause the video right here, get your work done, then come back. The directions for section 3 say fill in the blanks. You should know these. How many feet are in a yard, how many inches are in a yard, how many centimeters in a meter, how many inches in a foot. Those are all review. Section 4, review of Roman numerals. Section 5, review of multiplication facts. And then on the front, on section 1, you need to write how many centimeters. You need to measure with your ruler, centimeters. Then section 2, you're going to measure inches. So make sure you look before you start writing down the answers. They're very different. Make sure you check. The first one is centimeters. The second one is inches. Then section 3 is another review, fill in the blank, of answers you should know for how many days in leap year, which is this year. We have leap year this year. How many hours in a day, how many minutes in an hour, and how many seconds in a minute. Section 4, you're going to match the Roman numerals. Section 5, you're going to practice multiplication. Section 6, write the differences. Be careful as you write your differences. You are going to borrow. Be careful. Section 7, draw lines to divide these shapes. So the first shape, you're going to draw it in halves, and the second shape, you're going to draw it in fourths. It tells you underneath the shape. And section 8 is a story problem. Read the story problem carefully. It actually already gives you the problem, so then you just have to write the answer on the line. Let me know if you have any questions about today's arithmetic lesson, and I'll see you later. Bye.